Aluminium chloride. The elements there are aluminium and chlorine. Hello ChemStars. Today we'll be writing the chemical formula of these binary compounds. Okay, so what is the valency or the oxidation number of aluminium? Aluminium is 3 and that of chlorine is 1. So when there was exchange of valency, okay, this becomes aluminium 1, chlorine 3. So the formula for aluminium chloride is what? AlCl3. So we do not actually put this one, but there is one here, okay? So the compound is AlCl3. That's the chemical formula, okay? The second one is carbon 2 oxide. Carbon 2, meaning that the valency or the oxidation state of carbon here is 2, okay? Carbon 2 oxide. Oxygen is -2, okay? Can they divide into their simplest term? Yes. 2 cancel itself here 1 and 2 divide itself here 1, okay? So there is exchange of valency. So that we have here C1 and O1. So the chemical formula of carbon 2 oxide is CO. I hope you are following what we are doing here. Good. So this is CO. If you are asked to name the compound, you will name it with the initial valency. Carbon 2. I'm writing the name, okay? And if I want to write the chemical formula, I will go with the last time. Carbon is 1 here. Oxygen is 1. So I'll just write CO. But in case of the name, you must name with the initial term of the word valency, okay? Carbon 2 oxide. That's the name. C1O1 CO for formula, okay? So the third one here is nitrogen 1 oxide, meaning that nitrogen has a variable oxidation state and it is what? 1. Nitrogen 1 oxide. Oxygen is what? 2. Can they divide further? No, they cannot divide further. If I want to name this thing nitrogen 1, okay, and if I still want to write the formula, I will use this one to write the formula because here they cannot divide what? Further. So I will exchange the valency and then I will have N2O1. Okay, so it's same as N2O. So this is the formula for nitrogen 1 oxide, okay? Good. So let's go back to the other one. This is calcium hydroxide. This is calcium. Okay, and then you have hydroxyl. Now, calcium is what? 2, has the oxidation state of +2. This is calcium 2 and hydroxyl is 1. There is no variable oxidation state for this. There is nothing like calcium 1, calcium 2. Are you getting me? We go ahead. Can they divide into their simplest term? No, this is just the simplest term. So what do? We just exchange their valency. And here we have Ca1 OH2. Why am I putting it in bracket? Because this 2 is for oxygen and hydrogen. So altogether I have CaOH2. Okay, so this is calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. Beautiful. Let's go back to the next one. Iron 2 oxide. So here we have iron as Fe. iron-2. Write your 2, okay? That's a variable oxidation state. Oxide, that is oxygen, which is also 2. So in writing the name of this compound, I'm using the initial terms, which is 2 here. Iron-2 oxide. Look at the name. But if I want to write the chemical formula, I'm not going to use this 2. I will divide it in the lowest term because they are divisible by themselves, okay? So 2 divided here is 1, 2 divided here is 1. So when I exchange this valency, I will have FeO as iron-2 oxide. Alright, so the other one is sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. This is sodium hydroxyl. Come across this before. Okay, sodium is 1, hydroxyl is 1. They are in their simplest term. Okay, no variable oxidation state. You simply go ahead and exchange the valency. So this is sodium hydroxide. Okay, so it is 1 1. So this can be written as sodium hydroxide. Okay, so we have here sodium hydroxide. Alright, ChemStars, this is copper-2 chloride. Copper-2 and chlorine. So you go ahead and try this one. Make sure you post your answer in the comment section, okay? Let's learn together. Do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Feel free to ask your question, give your thoughtful suggestion. Thank you for seeing this video. I'm Goodness Ijeoma. I'll see you right there in my next video. Bye-bye for now.